Hello everybody, LigBusy here, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart and reassemble a non-speed cube Rubik's Cube. So this is not a speed cube, again. If you do have a speed cube, one that turns really well like this, you're going to want to check out my video right here and the link in the description. But anyway, let's just get started with this one. So the first thing you're going to do is rotate the top layer 45 degrees like this. Then you'll grab a screwdriver, like this, it's just a little tiny one, and then you can just pop a piece out like that. Make sure you get one of the edges, not the corners, because these ones won't come out. Unless, of course, you already popped out the edge. If your cube is a little bit looser, you'll be able to pop it out just with your finger. From here, just take out the two corners, and then what you're going to do is just realign it like this, and then rotate one there a little bit like that, another one like that, and these pieces will start coming off, just like that. Just completely take it apart, and this layer will come off, and then this layer, and then the whole thing will come apart, just like that. Now what you can do is simply lay out all the pieces like this. So I'm just laying pieces with the colors facing towards me, so I can see it, and I can also sort it into edges and corners. Okay, here we go. Let's move these out of the way real quick. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the core, and then you just choose a side at random. I'll just choose blue, because why not? Then you'll find an edge piece that has blue on it. Here's one. And so we line it up, and just put the piece in between the two centers like that. So you may have to have one rotated 45 degrees. Put it in, and then move it up. And make sure the colors match up, just like that. Now, you'll take another piece that goes either right here, or right here. And so, in this case, I'll just choose the blue and orange one, which is right here. And you see we can just move this orange piece a little bit over to the side like that, put it in, and move it back like that. Now what you do is just find a corner piece that has all blue, yellow, and orange on it. So if I look around, I see this one that has right here, and we'll just slide it in, just drop it in, just like that. Now what you can do is find the edge piece that goes in between these two, which is right here. And we can simply turn it that side a little bit like that, put it in, and then turn it back down. And now what we're going to do is just repeat that same thing, only with each of the other little sections. So we'll build up this section right here, like we did, then this section, and then the rest of this section. So you can follow along in this little time lapse if you don't know how to do this. Okay, here we go. We've got it all built up. Now for the last layer, what we'll do is just find any piece, and with green on the top, because that's the piece that's on top, we'll just put it in like that, like sideways, with the top layer 45 degrees like that, and then just snap it in like that, and line it up with the color. So we'll find the corner piece that goes into here, just put that in, and rotate it once more, and find the piece that goes with these two colors, put it in just like that. Same thing with this one, you can line it up in between if you need it, and unline it, and do that, and then just put in the last two corners, just like that, and the last edge, you should be able to push it in and backwards, so it's lined up right there, and just push it in, just like that. You can realign the last layer, and you will have it completely assembled. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Like you don't know how to reassemble it, you're stuck or anything, just leave a comment and I will help you. And I'll see you guys next time.